Hello everyone. Thank you for being here today. My name is Jefferson V. Espilieta, 16 years of age, grade 11 ABM student. Let's take a few minutes to talk about the 3 uncommon words. The goal of this discussion is to share ideas or thoughts about this topic. The first uncommon word is the word cacography. Cacography. Cacography is defined as bad handwriting or poor penmanship, bad spelling, or incorrect handwriting. It is the opposite word of calligraphy, which means beautiful handwriting. Here is an example of cacography in a sentence. The note was written in such a cacography that I could barely read a single word. Or in Tagalog, ang pangit ng pagkakasulat na ito. Halos wala akong maintindihan. The second uncommon word is the word defenestrate. Defenestrate. The word defenestrate means to throw someone or something out of the window. It's a somewhat rare and dramatic word, often used literally but sometimes metaphorically to mean removing someone from power or abruptly dismissing them. Here's an example of defenestrate in a sentence. In a fit of rage, he threatened to defenestrate his malfunctioning computer, or in Tagalog, sa kanyang pagkagalit sa kanyang computer, dahil ang computer ay naglalag, pinagbantaan niya ito na itapon. The third and the final uncommon word is the word peregrinate. Peregrinate. The word peregrinate means to travel or journey, especially over a long distance or through foreign lands. Is often used in literary or formal texts and imply purposeful and thoughtful travel. Here's an example of peregrinate in a sentence. After retiring, she spent 2 years peregrinating across Europe, exploring ancient ruins and small villages. In Tagalog, pagkatapos mag-retire sa trabaho, naglaan ng 2 taon na palipat-lipat sa Europe, paggala-gala sa mga sinaunang lugar at sa mga lungsod nito. And that is all about the 3 uncommon words with their definitions and examples. Hope you like this video and thank you for watching.